Здравствуйте.
Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 3 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about the prepositional case. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. The prepositional case. A case is determined by word endings that indicate their function and relationship to other words in a sentence and by the question method. The question method can be used for determining cases in which a question is asked to the required word. In the prepositional case, there is always a preposition in front of the noun. For example,
В, на, о, при.
questions in the prepositional case.
Где,
Where are places?
в чем,
In what?
в ком,
In whom?
на чем,
On what?
на ком,
On whom?
о чем,
About what?
о ком.
About whom? Endings in the prepositional case change according to the gender of the noun. Masculine nouns change their endings to ye and sometimes u.
Парк, в парке.
Park, in the park.
Кремль, в Кремле.
Kremlin, in the Kremlin.
Лондон, в Лондоне.
London, in London.
Париж, в Париже.
Paris, in Paris.
Поезд, на поезде.
Train, on the train.
Конь, на коне.
Horse, on horseback.
Шкаф, в шкафу.
Wardrobe, in the wardrobe. Feminine nouns change their endings to
Е, и. Книга, о книге.
book, about a book.
Мышь, о мыши.
Mouse, about a mouse.
Англия, об Англии.
England, about England.
Россия, о России.
Russia, about Russia.
Испания, в Испании.
Spain, in Spain.
Франция, во Франции.
France, in France.
Италия, в Италии.
Italy. In Italy. Neuter nouns change their endings to "ye" and sometimes
Мне. Небо. В небе.
sky, in the sky.
Дерево. На дереве.
Tree, on the tree.
Кино. А кино.
Cinema, about movies. Kino is a foreign import into Russian, so the ending does not change in the prepositional case.
Яблоко. В яблоке.
Apple, in the apple.
Озеро. На озере.
Lake, on the lake.
Кофе. В кофе.
Coffee, which is a foreign import into Russian, in coffee.
Сердце. В сердце.
Heart, in the heart.
Где? На кухне.
Where? In the kitchen.
Где? На столе.
Where? On the table.
Где? В словаре.
Where? In the dictionary.
Где? В театре.
Where? In the theatre.
Где? В море.
Where? In the sea.
Где? В стране.
Where? In the country.
На чем? На планете.
On what? On the planet.
На чем? На машине.
On what? By car.
В чем? В стакане.
In what? In a glass.
На чем? На бутылке.
On what? On the bottle.
В чем? В зеркале.
In what? In the mirror.
Где? В зеркале.
Where? In the mirror.
В чем? В чемодане.
In what? In the suitcase.
Где? На руке.
Where? On the hand.
Где? В воде.
Where? In water.
О чем? О собаке.
About what? About the dog.
О чем? О политике.
About what? About politics.
О чем? О музыке.
About what? About music.
О ком? О сестре.
About whom? About the sister.
О чем? О книге.
About what? About a book.
О ком? О тебе.
About whom? About you.
О ком? Обо мне.
About whom? About me. Pronouns in the prepositional case.
Я,
I,
мне.
me,
Ты,
you,
тебе.
you,
Он,
he,
нем.
him,
Она,
she,
ней.
her,
Оно,
it,
нем.
it,
Мы,
we,
нас.
us,
Вы,
you,
вас.
you,
Они,
they,
них.
them.
О ком я думаю?
About whom am I thinking?
Я думаю о тебе.
I'm thinking about you.
О ком он говорит?
About whom is he speaking?
Он говорит о ней.
He is speaking about her.
О ком она говорит?
About whom is she speaking?
Она говорит о нас.
She is speaking about us. Nouns can be animate, people and animals, which answer the question
О ком? В ком? На ком?
or inanimate, things, which answers the question
О чем? В чем? На чем? О ком?
about whom,
О папе.
about the father,
О ком?
about whom,
О мужчине.
about the man,
О ком?
about whom,
О дяде.
about the uncle,
О ком?
about whom,
О дедушке.
about the grandfather,
О ком?
about whom,
О юноше.
about the youth,
О ком? О короле.
about the king,
О ком? О царе.
about the Tsar,
О ком? О зяте.
about the son-in-law,
О ком? О парне.
about the boy,
О ком? О мальчике.
about the young boy,
О чем?
about what,
О карандаше.
about the pencil,
В чем?
In what?
В шкафу.
In the wardrobe.
В чем?
In what?
В сумке.
In the bag.
О чем?
About what?
О планете.
About the planet.
О чем?
About what?
О билете.
About the ticket. In this lesson you have learned about the prepositional case. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.